Alright, we are leaving the beach here. And this is Little Lake.
Hello.
We're gonna go around Little Lake. We're gonna go to that little island there. I'm gonna check this out. This little lake is bigger than some big lakes. Alright, off we go.
That camera is not going to do this justice.
No, it will not.
It's so pretty.
GoPro sucks in low light. That's a second island over there or peninsula?
I don't know.
We're gonna check out this island right there. This is pretty cool. That's a nice house. That's another nice house. Don't know how well any of this is gonna come out. There's more nice houses, I think. Go. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
It's big. Lots of toys, lots of chairs.
Yeah. Oh,
Look at the
man.
reflection.
That's beautiful. I decided if we get lake property, you know, people like to name their places.
Sure.
Get a sign that says what you call it.
Yeah.
I want to call it our happy place. Huh?
Oh God. I gotta be happy.
You're gonna have to be happy. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I like that.
That's an old one.
That's nice.
I really like that one. That's cute.
You don't need fancy.
Don't need fancy.
No, because you gotta spend money on a dock, on a boat, on, you know,
Yeah, on the toys.
all the stuff that goes with it.
Yeah. Gotta get the toys.
You just make it nice, you know, it doesn't have to be fancy.
Oh, all right. So they got a nice glider sitting there with the coffee table.
Mm-hmm.
You take your breakfast, your bowl of cereal, and sit out there. And that's what I'd be doing.
Yeah.
Get my cocktail in the evening. Like I don't have a nightly cocktail, but that's what I picture doing.
Sure. Tell that thing to stop.
My can of beer.
I like that too. It's got like storm windows over its screen porch.
Yeah.
Small. Cozy.
Perfect for us.
Cozy.
Just the right size. Twice the size of a van.
Right. You got enough room for somebody to come visit for a couple of days, then they'll leave.
Yep.
Go. We like that one.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's really pretty. They have a nice yard. And just the way it's open enough.
That'll do. We're trying to figure that out. Looks like ice shack, but on pontoons.
A camp without a sauna is not a camp.
So we saw the sauna on top.
That's got to be
Smoke.
the sauna.
So you can take
sauna.
You can take the sauna out and then take a dip in the lake when you get all hot and motor it back in.
Yeah.
Or maybe they just tow it.
Huh. Don't say sauna.
Don't say it.
It'll make people angry.
Oh, I like that. Look at that right on the water.
That's pretty. It's got its own little beach.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one I haven't wanted yet.
No, me neither. It does open way up over there.
Yeah,
This
it
lake
does.
is bigger than Little.
Why isn't it called Big Lake?
I don't
Little
know.
Lake?
Big Little Lake, Little Big Lake.
Big Little Lake.
Cedar Shakes. That's nice. Mm-hmm. This house is very nice.
Beautiful.
That looks like a log home kit kind of house. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's nice. Very nice. Yes, please to either. They're all, you know, you don't see a lot of crappy houses on the lake. Not anymore. There might be a lesser one down here in a minute. That's nice. You could need something lakefront, you know what I mean?
There's no doors.
There's no door there.
I'd put a patio door there.
Sure.
We're getting barked at.
All right, we're gonna take a gander at that gap, but we probably, I don't know if we can do it all because it's late in the day.
Yeah.
That's got to be another sauna over there with the smokestack on it, cinder block.
Or garage.
Yep.
Nope.
That is massive,
That's out
as
of
you
place.
said. Yeah, that deck, that outside cover area is quite odd. They wanted that for a reason. They put a really nice covered patio, basically, is what they got. A couple campers, golf carts, toys, an entranceway with driftwood.
Maybe somebody got married
I don't know.
under that.
That's what they want. Oop, that's what they wanted. I gotta look at what you're doing, dummy. I had it pointed up in the air. Very nice. We'll go a little further. That's very nice. And I like this one over here, though, even smaller.
It's cute.
Same style. They got a gazebo back there.
And tiny little log house.
That little blue one's nice. Yeah. Any one of these. Any one of these. Except I want another Yamaha instead of a Sea-Doo. I like the way they spin better. All right, here's where we're at, in case you're wondering.
Sorry.
You're fine.
That's my shoes.
I know it's your shoes. They know it's your shoes.
Okay, good.
We're gonna cut straight across there and then head back because it's late in the day. If we stay a second day, we will explore there. If we do not, we will not.
Maybe
That's
we'll
kind of how it goes. Maybe. We'll see.
close
We have
now.
time for 2 days here. We just haven't decided yet if that's what we want to do. But I'm going to help her paddle instead of making her do all the work. And we'll get to the other side. There's 2 islands. There's another island over there closer to
Okay.
camp. It is pretty big on that other section.
Yeah.
Well, if it all continues to go well, I vote for another day.
I think so.
But we're not sure yet.
I think I'm amenable to that.
She's amenable. Trying to zoom in, I'm guessing, when I'm editing this. This island and the reflection on a very, very overcast day. What's the weather tomorrow supposed to be?
I'll look. Oh, not good.
Not good?
69 and thunderstorms.
Yeah, we might not stay for for that.
And 50% tomorrow and then 70% on Friday.
Rain?
Yeah, thunderstorms, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, 69
could be it.
and 73.
Well, again, if we wake up in the morning and the weather's nice enough, we don't have to leave right away.
We could always go
Yeah.
out, sure. I'll get my butt out of bed early.
All right. We're going to go around this, I think.
I don't know.
These are nice houses. And the rest of the big lake. And then this thing,
Those are garages.
yeah, with huge boat ramps coming down to the water out of them. I don't know. I'm going to go around the island here. The first island. Must be marshy in here, you know. And nope, that's a big house that we think goes with that god-awful, ugly, huge garage with tracks down to the lake. That's a nice house. And there's more. And there's the little island. And that little island right in the middle, zoom in, you can see there's a house on it. There's a dock and a lift. It's for the island. Got to cart everything over. It'd be kind of cool. All right, paddle me, Xerxes. All right, we paddled out to the island house. There's a very old looking dock. It's hard to tell if anybody's using this anymore.
Pretty sure
There's
me and Captain
2.
Rascals isn't even
There's a
here.
house and a garage or something. Yeah. But you would think if you were using this, you'd have a better dock. We can't tell if there's power or not. If it is, it's under the lake. that looks like it hasn't seen any visitors in a while.
Yeah, it looks pretty neglected.
Hmm.
That's a big house.
That's a very big house.
Yeah, I bet there's no electricity to that house. They put a metal roof on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my nosy side wants to get on that rickety dock.
Mm-hmm.
There's no for sale sign. Buy your own island.
Wouldn't that be cool, though?
Sure. That's a big house.
That's a really big house. What's the story?
I don't know.
We gotta find out. Holy shnikes.
Yeah. Because if somebody was still using this, it'd be in better condition because it's fancy. You know what I mean? It's pretty. The reflections.
Gosh, that's big.
That's very big. Looks like it was added on to as well.
Mm-hmm.
Very big house. The door looks open.
The door looks open?
Yeah, the door's open. The porch door. We cannot get on there, can we? This is Hills Have Eyes 2, Lake Edition. Texas Chainsaw.
Texas Chainsaw
Little Lake Chainsaw Massacre. Yeah, that door's wide open.
This to the porch.
Yeah,
not to
yeah.
The house. Oh, I would love to be able to go into that.
Yeah, no one's been here for a while. There's trees growing on the dock.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, we gotta find some local.
But you know, you get into that this neat looking deck here is probably all rotten and ruined, and you know. All right, I'm not focusing. I'm gonna put this away and help her. Go. I like the lily pads.
The flowers are pretty.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You hear that? We're close to the road. The campground's close to the road, and so is this lake. They're pretty. Campground is right over there, and that's where we're going. Straight ahead. Till morning. Still this island we're going around. All right, we made it back. Little Lake is little, but it still takes a lot of paddling to get all the way around it. We had a great and wonderful time doing it. Hope you enjoyed some of it on this dreary, overcast day.
Simple meal, Impossible burgers on the grill. Some like it with ketchup and mustard. Some like it with sriracha sauce. And a Chippy got a little bit of our leftover corn.
You're going to town. Chippy Chip. It is misting.
Yeah, I don't have my settings right.
He likes that corn. Get it, Chip. Chippy, Chippy, Chippy. Where's Dale?
Oh,
There's a red squirrel.
That's, yeah, you're right. That is a red squirrel.
Well, enjoy your meal, friend. Jenny, relax. Enjoy the tent. Enjoy your time out of captivity by the lake. Little lake. Meow, meow. left behind wood is very good. With all that rain, it was still pretty dry. No kindling though. It's not getting a lot of air, but it'll go. I got it, you a little smothered, don't I? Keep going. It'll go. It'll go. Doing pretty good for being out in the rain. Okay, that's a fire. It will collapse upon itself.
Trying to dry out some free camp wood that somebody was nice enough to leave us.
There we go. There we go. Sue's back. Back again. Pudgy pies are coming back. Blueberry today.
So do some camping for yourself. Do some kayaking, make a fire, eat some decent food, and just enjoy nature. You'll have a great and wonderful day.